So today, I'll show you how to update your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So ensure that you have installed Mi Fitness app on your device and it's paired with your Xiaomi band. Then launch the application on your device and then scroll down and find the more option. Tap on it and then from here select on the updates option. And from here you'll be told if there's an update available, you'll be given the details of what the update is all about. And then now you would know what the update is all about by reading this section. And then once you read all the information, tap on download at the bottom of the screen to begin the update. Tap on download and then you'll see the update being downloaded on your device. So wait for the update to be downloaded. And then as you can see on your phone, on your smart band, it will be receiving that particular update that we just downloaded through the Mi Fitness app. So let's wait for it to be downloaded. So once the update is successful, then you'll see don't use synchronize successful, don't use your device while it's updating. Tap on continue and then allow the device to be updated. So as you can see, the update process is continuing. And once done, the update will be successfully installed on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So that's basically how to update this band. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.